In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename Fidelity account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change the display nickname for an account so it's easier to recognize in your dashboard and on the mobile app. Start by signing in to your Fidelity Investments account. Once you're in, head to the top navigation and choose Accounts and Trade, then select Portfolio. This takes you to the main view of your holdings and account list. Look just above your list of accounts for a button labeled Customize. Click that to open the customization options. From here, pick the specific account you want to rename. You'll see an option to rename, or a nickname field you can edit directly. Click into that field, type your new account name or nickname, and make sure it clearly identifies the purpose of the account. When you're satisfied, click Save. That's it. Your nickname will now display in your portfolio view, making it easier to distinguish between multiple accounts at a glance. If you prefer a settings-based path, you can also rename accounts by going to Profile, then Preferences, and selecting Nickname your accounts. This route is especially handy if you want to review and update several nicknames in one place. When choosing a nickname, keep it simple and descriptive. Popular examples include emergency fund, long-term investing, vacation savings, or dividend portfolio. Clear names help you track goals quickly without digging into details each time. As a general tip, avoid using sensitive personal information in nicknames and stick to labels that reflect the account's purpose. A quick but important note: changing a nickname only updates the display name you see on Fidelity. It does not change the legal account registration or the official account owner's name. In most cases, your new nickname will sync to the Fidelity mobile app as well. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and refresh the app. If your goal is to legally change the account owner's name due to a life event like marriage or divorce, you'll need to follow Fidelity's official name change process. Visit the Fidelity name change page to start that request and upload any required documentation. That's the complete process to rename your Fidelity account. Sign in, go to Portfolio, use Customize, edit the nickname, and save, or use the Preferences route to manage multiple names at once. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!